Dashboards are a great way to track your key performance indicators. In this video, I will show you how you can set up your CRM system's native dashboards. Once you're done setting everything up, you're going to have a dashboard that looks like this one over here. And then you'll be able to drill down into more detail by clicking on the area you want to investigate and open the reports up by just clicking on their name. The first thing you'll need to do is go over to the arrow in the top left corner and select the dashboard you want to edit. I am going to go with the home dashboard. In here, head over to the Create button, click on the arrow that's next to it, and go to Edit. Scroll down and you're going to see a plus sign here, so you can add a report through here. Here, search for the Sapiens.BI dashlet, and then select the report that you want to use. I'm going to select the monthly ops versus targets report. Hit save, and you will see that the report has loaded in here. If you have accidentally added the wrong report, you can click here and remove it. And if you're happy with the result, just go over to the Save button. And that's it for the built-in dashboard. Now, if you want to have more flexibility with your dashboards, like maybe you want to add filters, data tables, or customize the layout even more, you may want to use the Sapiens.BI dashboards. So I will leave a link up here. You can watch the tutorial and get that set up. For now, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.